Hello everybody, I got a 2008 F350 diesel 6.4 liter crew cab long bed for sale. This vehicle has 198,000 miles. It's in excellent condition. This thing shines like new, runs like new, smells like new, feels like new. This vehicle is running as I speak. My name is Brett. My number is 954-258-2700. Please call me if you're interested in this vehicle. Tires are in great shape, has Bridgestones all the way around. Looks like shocks have been replaced. Everything under the vehicle is super clean. Just a little condensation from the AC. Weston running boards, tow mirrors. This vehicle's in great shape. We do offer shipping to your door. Please ask me when we're on the phone. We provide wholesale rates. This is a really nice truck. If you're interested, please call 954-258-2700. My name is Brett. Please don't hesitate to call. We do end our auctions early. So if you see this vehicle and you're interested, please don't wait because someone else could be calling me right now. We have an aftermarket Pioneer double DIN radio with CD and DVD. This vehicle is equipped with a backup alarm, all your factory brake controllers and auxiliary switches 1, 2, 3, and 4. This vehicle is equipped with factory 4-wheel drive. You've got 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and 4 low. No rips, no tears, no wear on the interior. Everything is as it should be. We got a great vehicle right here. Again, my number is 954-258-2700. This is an 08 F350 diesel 6.4 liter, 4x4, crew cab, long bed. Very nice condition. Everything is clean. No surface rust, never existed. This vehicle has just been well cared for. We do offer spray-in bed liners. If you're interested in something like that, please ask me when we're on the phone. We could offer that for you. 954-258-2700. My name is Brett. Please don't hesitate to call me. We have wholesale shipping rates and can get this vehicle to your door. This is a turnkey diesel truck ready for the road, ready for work. Doesn't need anything. Just a new owner, ready for the job. You want one that's clean, one that's perfect, one that's been well maintained, this is it. 954-258-2700. Please call me right now. My name is Brett. Thank you.